but the color is pretty self-explanatory on them.
Oh,
I like tan. Tan runs better. For some reason, the black breaks a little too much when printing, and we've never had an issue with the tan. We do have black. Yes, we have green. The white one is your infill material. It's going to say INF on the back. It's not this one, it's actually white. So here, I'm going to give a few of you infill. So you always want to have an infill with...
By the way, all the material for the 3D printing and the supplies has come from projects that the sculptor practice has done. Our department doesn't have a budget for this. So we've got around that by just going out and earning out. One of the projects is Jesus.
How many of these do you
So Jesus is helping to bring us this process.
Yeah.
Amen.
Okay. I just want everybody to get a chance to change a cartridge, even if, so we're all just going to take turns changing cartridges. So if you want to pick a machine, every couple of you, and go to your home page, turn it on, check cartridge status. You can turn this one on. You can pick any side, it doesn't matter.
Is there a magnetic plate?
Yeah.
That's the right place. Okay.
Okay, so,
Magnetic plate.
okay, so it has a view screen here. So
Okay, and then you just put it in there and it.
Cartridge, change cartridge. What's the?
PLA?
So yeah. So it's oh, okay. I guess because it goes to the side. Okay, so there's one.
And then set up.
So I guess this one.
And then
would go
after set up, it's cartridge status.
over here.
There.
Okay, she said one was the color and the other one was what?
INF. 20% harder?
And the other one's cartridge.
Or is it change
What's
cartridge?
this one say?
Change cartridge.
Does it say there?
So pick any one.
Which one's in?
Doesn't matter. You don't have an infill. You have anyone. So just pick any one, any side.
For kids, we'll do this in my list.
Go fast. That's not bad. We can
Okay, so you're going to set up, change cartridge. Now you can pick. So just click on it. It'll start reheating.
Oh, somebody's.
Yeah, it can. Try to bring it up.
You're going to mess with the dots. You're going to pull up.
Move cartridge on the right.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just
Wait. Yeah. I
Sure,
guess
how
this
to
is the
remove it.
percentage.
Are you able to see on this side?
percentage. You could click cancel until you cancel. Because that's I don't know if that's the job computer.
So now you can remove you already removed your cartridge?
No, we're
Okay,
about to do
so
it.
first pop it off.
Bring it to center.
Squeeze and pull.
Oh, okay.
And then you're going to twist your nozzle like so. There's two little dots on there. And then go straight up. Tuck it in here. And we and so then we click check mark that we've done that process. And you'll just take turns in the lower corner.
Okay, check mark right here. If you want to see it, did you get the picture?
Once everybody's done it, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so insert your printer jet, twist. Make sure it's lined up.
Okay.
So that guy first.
So squeeze and.
Squeeze and push it.
It's like running a
So you see how there's a little,
yeah.
there's a little section there, a little niche. This goes into the niche,
But then engage it towards.
and then engage it and move it
Can I
to
open
the
this
dots.
new one?
Okay. What are you ladies doing?
Should we open this new one?
So
Okay.
you see how it started shifting around?
And twist the knob, and then
Yeah, it's just like printing a piece of paper with text.
so now it's just purging your new cartridge.
So
Once everybody's done that, we'll move on to the next step.
Just doing one?
Okay.
There's a bunch of stuff in there.
Ramiro has a little bust. He did a bust.
Anthony should have, as you're doing your arrow. So now it wants you to insert the new printer.
Okay, did that.
It's just the exercise. First you're gonna push this in, so. And then repeat it.
At least there's a pencil.
This. And then you see the arrow?
Yeah, there's a bunch of cartridges.
Yeah, it's Crudville.
And now it's gonna start purging.
But we're only changing one cartridge, right?
You want to do the other one?
And once you got it down, everybody
Oh, wait,
say
it
try,
says
and then
wait
move on
to
to
do
the next.
Yeah, just let's do it until it fills up.
Yeah, if somebody is, whoever hasn't done it, you give it a go.
So did you do an infill area?
When it's done purging, that's how you just start.
Yeah.
you guys
You
go.
scan it, right? Then after you scan, you get solidify.
If you don't have
Colors
infill,
of
it doesn't matter.
holes.
Infill, and even with infill, it doesn't matter.
takes a
because
long
you're gonna
time.
undercut these undercuts.
Yeah. Or when you scan,
Yeah, definitely.
Like a weekend thing.
Go out and back in. So that
The only
if
time
it's a
I ever
nose,
say
right?
use infill,
You go with the tip
I
of the
like to
nose
keep
and then
the
you go
infill on the
And now it's
side,
priming.
whatever I'm printing with, is not a method of me
So then it's a
knowing
method of
what
going
the
around.
pin file you're
In
going
and
to
out.
assign support. So if your support's always on the right side, it doesn't matter what color is on the left side, because you already know support on the right side.
Yeah.
So that's how I do it, so that I don't get confused. Oh, did I put it on the right side or did I put the color on the left side? I just automatically assign. So that's why the infill is.
We are